Some recipes are more than food, they are memories. This lady's finger curry with roasted coconut is one such dish for me. Simple, homely, and filled with the taste of my childhood. Hello friends, welcome back to Simply Grace's Kitchen. Today I'm making a curry that takes me straight back to my school days. These are fresh lady's fingers, about 250 grams. This was a regular in my lunch box, once or twice a week, always with curd. So every time I cook this, my heart quietly smiles. I'm cutting them into small pieces. Even this sound of chopping reminds me of my mom cooking in the kitchen early morning. And here are all the ingredients we need. Cut lady's fingers, dry coconut, turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, onion, tamarind, green chili, curry leaves, mustard seeds, jeera, a tiny bit of fenugreek, that is methi, and of course oil and salt. You can see the measurements on the screen here. In a hot pan, I added a spoon of oil and fry the lady's finger until they turn slightly brown. While this is getting ready, I quickly chop the onion and slit the green chili. And friends, if you are enjoying my simple homely cooking videos, please like this video and subscribe to Simply Grace's Kitchen. Your support really encourages me to share more traditional recipes like this. See how beautifully they are turning golden. This is what gives the curry that lovely texture. Yes, this entire curry is made in one pan. I add dry coconut powder and roast it until brown. This step gives the curry its unique roasted smell. But keep stirring or else it gets burnt in seconds. Now I add jeera and little methi. Fry for just half a minute. All this goes into a bowl to cool. And again in the same pan, I am adding little more oil. Once hot, mustard seeds go in, followed by the chopped onions, green chili, ginger garlic paste and fresh curry leaves. Saute till the raw smell escapes. That moment when the whole kitchen suddenly starts smelling like home. Now in goes the turmeric and chili powder. And here goes our fried lady's finger. Mix well. Then I add the tamarind pulp with half a cup of water. Salt. Let it cook slowly. The lady's finger absorbs all the tangy flavor so beautifully. Meanwhile, I grind the roasted coconut mixture into a smooth paste with a little water. This paste is the heart of this curry. Here you can see the water has reduced and the lady's finger is nicely cooked. Now I add the roasted coconut paste along with a little rinsing water from the mixie jar. Never waste that. Give it a nice stir. Let it cook for just a minute or two. And finally a few curry leaves on top for that fresh aroma. And that's it friends, my humble, nostalgic lady's finger curry with roasted coconut. A simple dish with a big place in my heart. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Simply Grace's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, you are most welcome to join this little food family. See you again with another comforting homemade recipe. Take care, stay blessed, and happy cooking.